Welcome to my channel, where we explore the most luxurious, futuristic, and jaw-dropping motorhomes ever built. And today, we're stepping inside something truly extraordinary. The 2026 Kenworth T2000, a $10 million masterpiece that's redefining what it means to live on the road. This isn't just a truck or a motorhome. It's a rolling palace designed for the elite traveler who demands both power and perfection. Every inch of this incredible machine screams innovation, comfort, and status. So buckle up, because we're about to explore what makes the 2026 Kenworth T2000 the most advanced motorhome in the world. Let's start with the core. This 2026 Kenworth T2000 has been completely redesigned from the ground up. Its aerodynamic structure isn't just for looks. It maximizes fuel efficiency and gives this massive motorhome a sleek, commanding presence on the highway. The front grille shines with chrome elegance, while the gold-accented graphics along the body create a royal and futuristic appearance. Underneath the hood, it's powered by a next-generation hybrid engine that balances immense power with remarkable fuel savings. But what truly sets this Kenworth apart is how its technology and luxury merge into one seamless experience. From voice-activated systems to full smart home integration, it's not just built for travel, it's built to impress. Now, let's step inside the kitchen, the heart of this mobile palace. The 2026 Kenworth T2000's kitchen is pure perfection for those who love style and practicality together. It features marble finish countertops, a state-of-the-art induction cooktop, and a convection oven that rivals any home kitchen. A hidden full-size smart refrigerator keeps your food fresh while adjusting its temperature automatically. The LED lighting along the cabinets adds a warm, golden glow, and the soft close drawers are lined with sleek chrome. You've got a compact dishwasher, a purified water system, and even a small breakfast bar with 2 luxury stools for quick meals. It's not just a kitchen. It's a gourmet studio built for comfort, design, and culinary creativity on the road. Moving to the bedroom, the definition of 5-star comfort. The Kenworth T2000 features a king-sized bed wrapped in plush Italian leather and memory foam. The walls are lined with soundproofing to create a calm, quiet environment no matter where you're parked. The ceiling features soft ambient LED patterns that mimic a starry sky, giving you a sense of peaceful luxury. There's a built-in wardrobe with automatic lighting, a 65-inch smart display at the foot of the bed, and side controls to manage lights, temperature, and blinds. Every morning feels like waking up in a royal suite, and every night feels like you're floating in comfort. It's more than a bedroom. It's a personal escape designed for relaxation and privacy. Now, let's walk into the drawing room, the social heart of the Kenworth T2000. This space is a blend of futuristic technology and classic elegance. You'll find 2 motorized recliners with massage functions, a curved smart TV built into the wall, and a full surround sound entertainment system. The walls feature digital art panels that can change themes, from a mountain sunset to a city skyline. The tinted panoramic windows let you enjoy the outside world while keeping total privacy inside. The custom-designed flooring, combined with soft lighting and chrome accents, creates an atmosphere of ultimate sophistication. Whether you're hosting guests or just relaxing, the drawing room transforms your journey into a high-end experience. Next comes the bathroom, where the Kenworth T2000 takes luxury to a new level. It features a rainfall shower system with customizable pressure and temperature control, along with a digital mirror that doubles as a personal display screen. The vanity area includes dual sinks made from crystal glass, and the heated marble floor adds a sense of spa-like comfort. There's even a fragrance diffuser built into the ventilation system, so the space always feels fresh and relaxing. Every element, from the gold-edged fixtures to the soft lighting, is crafted to make this bathroom feel like a private spa on wheels. Finally, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 stands as the most trending and talked about motorhome in the luxury vehicle world. Its unmatched design, cutting-edge innovation, and breathtaking comfort make it more than a motorhome. It's a lifestyle statement. The mix of technology, art, and mechanical brilliance makes it a dream for anyone who loves road freedom without sacrificing luxury. From the roaring engine to the smooth interiors, the T2000 is not just built to move. It's built to rule the road. This is where engineering meets elegance and performance meets perfection. So, what do you think of the 2026 Kenworth T2000, the $10 million rolling palace on wheels? Would you take a ride in this ultimate luxury motorhome? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing reviews of the world's most luxurious vehicles.